the last couple of months, we've seen smartphone brands unveil the same devices but with different names and series. Tecno unveiled the Camon 17 series, which is the latest addition to the Camon family. Infinix also introduced the new Note series, which is the Infinix Note 10. Although both devices carry similar features and specifications that might make it hard to decide what to go with. On this video, I'll be talking about the similarities and what set them apart. Price. Before we compare these devices, let's talk about the price first. You can get the Camon 17 Pro for 125k naira in dollars, which is $302, and the Infinix Note Pro goes for 117k naira in dollars, that is $283. The price difference for this smartphone is about 8,000 naira. You should keep that in mind as we go on. Display. For the display, the Infinix Note 10 Pro comes with a larger display, a 6.95-inch Full HD IPS LCD panel, 90Hz refresh rate, and 1080 by 246 pixel resolution. While the Tecno Camon 17 Pro, on the other hand, comes with a 6.8-inch HD IPS LCD screen, a 90Hz refresh rate, 1080 by 2460 pixel resolution. I think they both have the same specification when it comes to the screen, but just the Note is a little bigger by some inches. For the display, what separates these devices are the resolution and the display size. Images on the Infinix Note 10 will definitely appear better and more appealing. However, the Camon 17 also has the 90Hz refresh rate, which should make scrolling feel smoother. Camera setup. Although smartphones in the Infinix series are known for their stellar camera performances, the Camon 17 Pro beats the Infinix when it comes to this department. They both come with a 64 megapixel rear camera setup. The selfie camera section is where the Camon 17 Pro stands out. It features a 48 megapixel selfie lens compared to the Infinix Note 10 Pro, which comes with a 60 megapixel lens. Final verdict. Both devices offer value for your money. Even though the Camon 17 Pro on paper looks like the most capable, the Infinix Note 10 Pro will also do a good job in major areas like gaming, multitasking, and photography. But to get that perfect selfie, I would advise you to go for the Camon 17 Pro. So that's it.